Cal from Cal's Crafts. Welcome back to Bin 4. And hi, this is your first time. I have my candle, jasmine candle lit for anybody that needs prayers, thoughts or positivities. And I'm just going to move it out the way so I don't do anything daft with it. So I had a parcel this morning. I think it's my STAROAR, but I might be completely wrong. So how's everybody else's Monday morning going? It's overcast here. Millie's in school, proper school. Jessie's in front room school. So it's quite quiet here. And Joshua's in a lecture in his bedroom, I think. Yeah, it's a STAROAR. You can tell by the... I know you're watching me struggle. Just do that. See? STAROAR diamond painting. Now this one, I've not done one like this before. That was a dog opening the door, having a nose and then going back out. Okay. That's dog's view. So, let's have a look at it. Now if I've ordered it correctly, it is a full crystal rhinestone, and I've not done one like that before. So, and I've seen this one, and anybody that knows me will know why I chose this one. There you go. A funky skull look. It's a skeleton playing the guitar. I think it's brilliant. Oh, it's just right up my street. Look at it. So it's a 34 by 45. So, well, I was hoping not to rip the... You can't help it though, can you? You're going to have to rip it. Ah, that would be nice to put on a thing. Corky, corky. Oh, hang on. I've got the... I do like the way they kit their kits. You have a little STAROAR diamond painting how-to. How to get started. So if you're not sure, it shows you exactly what you're going to do with your crystals. Like this. Tips. Wash hands before working. When you are not working on your project, the protective film saves the adhesive surface from becoming dry or gathering dust. Then after finishing the work, simply press down diamonds with heavy book to keep them firmly sticked. I don't do that. I do once I've finished, put the rolling pin over it, but that's it. And that is your chart with all your numbers, your drill numbers, how many diamonds you need and how many diamonds you've got. So as you can see, you've got more than enough diamonds sent you to what you need. Yeah? So I like that. So you can... Is that a sticker? No, I thought it might have been the sticker. So you could cut that out and keep it in your thing. But hey ho. Right. Let's have... Oh, it's vibrant. We've got the papers that if you don't like this cover, you've got them papers to put on top. So some people prefer them to the covers, or you can do a bit of both. Right. Oh, there's one left there. And look, right, we have got... I do like their kits. Pull. So what have we got? We have got one of these plastic tips. I've not used one of those, so that'll be interesting to use. A squidgy, and it's a sparkly pen. We've got all the bags that you will need, and these are good quality bags. STAROAR do give you good quality bags. You can't fold them. Pippa does something like that, and Rachel, don't they? But where they go like that and it opens. Yeah, that don't work with me, ladies. Look, no. I'd be there all day. Oh, blue wax. We've got that is a straightener that can go on the end of there. You've got a 4-placer, which is my favourite. Looks a bit tatty on there. Could do with the, if you see, can you see it's got a bit of, I just scraped it off with my nail. But if there's a bit of extra on the end, just rub your nail on it or get a nail file. One of these. I don't mean like a big metal nail file. Just one of these cheap ones. You know, you get from the pound shop, and then if you just give it a quick, that's it. They are all gone. So you've got your 4-placer. That one's a bit rough as well. So again, just don't matter what side. That's it, smooth. And that one is 7-placer. And how do I know? Because it says it on there. You have the blue wax. I've not tried the blue wax, but everybody says the blue wax really good. And your boaty with a spout. And your, which type of tweezers are these? Oh, they're the rounded tweezers. They're nice. And they've got the STAROAR on them. It's always nice to have. I use these for my diamond paintings, and I also use them when I'm frogging on cross stitch, because they are fantastic to pick your stitch out. So you can multi-use them. Right, so you put it all back in there so it's all kept together. So I'll put that to the side. Right, so I'll just give it a roll the other way. You can roll poured glue the other way. Just make sure it is roll glue before you do it. Look at that, guys. Look at the colours. Let's measure it. It says the drill field is 30 by 40. So let's have a look. I'm going to have to straighten the end of that because it annoys me. That is just smidge over 30. So, and that's a smidge under 40. So it's 1 mil over, and I think it's 2 mil over there, was it? Yeah, 2 mil over and 2 mil under. So hey ho, that's neither near or here or there, is it? Right, I'm just gonna. You have got. Hang on. You got a photo down there. You've got your schematic there, which is tells you. If I show you, and you can look at all the letters. It does not look like there's anything there that's gonna trip us up, which is good. So they've got the DMC. That's not DMC numbers. I don't know what they are, but they're not DMC numbers. They on mess. I don't know. No, they're definitely not DMC numbers. They aren't anyway. What are those then? This is annoying me now. Oh, it's the drill number. It's not a DMC number, it's the drill number, which is different to theirs. Right, let's have a look if it's sticky or not. That is definitely sticky. God, look at the colours though. Right, can you see if it's clear? To be fair, it looks crystal clear. Did you get that? Crystal clear, crystal rhinestones. I know. Right, should we get into these? What was this? Oh, this was a bargain, guys. I had a bargain on this. I had a $9.99 coupon, $9.99 coupon. This was $9.99 for the picture. I had a $9.99 coupon, so I only had to pay $6 shipping. I was happy. I was happy jappy. I was like, yes, thank you very much. Me and coupons don't usually work out, but yeah. Right, should we have a look at these? Ooh, look at these. We'll do it that side because it doesn't matter. We don't need to see the... That looks like normal 310s there. But they're not. Are they? No, they are. So we kind of get to see the colours. They're showing all the backs of them. That's like browny gold. They're brown, a black, two lots of black. Oh, that's a purple. That's like a 550 purple. That's like a very light pinky colour. Oh, there's a bag that's open somewhere because there's some red ones. So we'll hunt that out after and make sure. There's a lot of shouting outside. Then we have some red ones, some pink. That's like very, very pale pink. And these are going into like brighter pinks, getting brighter and brighter. Some silver, ooh, some dark green, royal blue, another like lilac, darker again, and the lilac into the purples. All these different shades, look, can you see them? That's like another dark blue, pinky red, deeper pinky red, some silver. They're like a white silver, I think, more than them. They're the same. They're slightly different. And that's a darker silver again. And then that's into like really dark silver. Can you see it? There's some beautiful, beautiful colours. Just having. Doesn't give you any of the DMC numbers though. There's no DMC numbers on here. That's a shame, really, isn't it? Would have been nice, but hey ho, we don't really need them for crystals. Oh no, crystals in it. What am I on about? People, why didn't you stop me? We're on crystals, we're not on no normal ones. I told you Cal's down there for thinking and up there for dancing. So they are the drill numbers of crystals, right? See, even I get things completely wrong. It's my first crystal kit. I don't know any better, so now we do, guys. So that down there is the drill number for crystals, guys. I'm thinking I'm so used to just doing ordinary DMC, and I'm like, So yeah, so that's my drill number for crystals. So that's good. Hang on. What's a scam call telling me that my national insurance number has been used in some fraudulent thing somewhere? Automated voice like. Yeah, right. These do look lovely. I can't wait to start this because I said I've never done a crystal. So it'll have to join the queue. But look at that face. Look at that face on that skull. It is divine. Look at the colours. Oh, that does look a little bit confetti heaven there though. Look. Heaven or hell? Would you call it heaven? Confetti heaven or confetti hell? See, I like both. So I can see there's some colour blocking and there's some confetti because I like both. I like doing a bit of the colour blocking and then a bit of confetti. But isn't it clear though? Oh, I do like my funky skull. So have you ever done a crystal? I mean, I've done a crystal on a little notebook thing. We've done a few on them, but I've never ever done a full diamond painting with them. So it's going to be an experience. See if I can pick them up. Can I put them down? Can you move them around the same? It's all going to be a new learning curve. But I'm willing to learn. So, oh, hang on, you can't see it. So I will love you and leave you. Let me know, what do you think? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Is it your taste or not yours? I know it's not going to be everybody's taste because it's a skull. So with that said, you lot take care, look after yourselves. If you want to stay around and you haven't subscribed, press the old button down below, and also by the side there's a bell that will let you know when I go live, which is on a Sunday, and when I load videos, which is a few times a week. All my social media's down below, my Patreon, my Happy Mail, everything's down below if you want to have a nose around and help the channel. It'd be more than appreciated. I'm stumbling over my words now. So with that said, thank you so much for stopping by. Take care, look after yourselves, and most importantly, stay safe. Love you all.